How to process offline payments. While most of your clients will likely pay with credit or debit cards, there will be some instances where they will prefer other payment methods, such as cash, checks, or others. This video will review how to create offline payments in TaxDome. To do that, go to Billing, Invoices, click the three dots to the far right of the invoice you want to settle, and select Record Offline Payment. You can change the source to check, cash, credit card, or direct bank debit, but for this example, we will go with cash. By default, all the other fields will be automatically filled, but we will review them briefly. Click Save, and notice that the status has changed to Paid. However, you can also add money to use as credits for later or pay several invoices in one go. To do that, we will click the New button at the top left and select the Offline Payment option. Select the client for whom you want to make the payment. But since we are doing this from this particular client, the Shield, it will appear in this field by default. In this field, we can set the amount manually or go to the Invoice field and select the invoice we want to pay. Click the box of the invoice or invoices you want to select. The sum of all selected invoices will be updated automatically, which is $648 for the two of them. You can write a description if needed. Ensure the Use Payment for the Revenue Calculations option is selected. You can send an email notification and link this payment to a job. But for now, we'll submit this payment by clicking the Save button. The status has changed to Paid, and there is no outstanding balance.